Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to feature my December haul of Levi's items. These are Levi's items or clothing that I bought for the month of December. And apparently, these clothing items from Levi's company are for next year's. These are produced and made and available this December for their 2023 release. And as I start, I'm going to show you these items. First one is a Levi's t-shirt. You have red and the usual Batman logo in gold. This is size small and the price is 1,499, but I got 20% discount. This is the second, still a t-shirt. However, there is a Levi's which is suede in material and it's color red, but the t-shirt is colored black. And this is small, and this is 1,699, and I was able to get a 20% discount. Really nice. This is another shirt. This is the front portion. You have this is black, but the lettering is Levi's original. However, at the back, you have the Batman logo with a very nice background of checkered cloth. This is only $999, and just the same, I was able to get 20% discount for this item. The next item is a polo shirt. You have horizontal stripes with red and black. It is a color. This is size small, and the price is 1,799. There is another color for this. It has light blue and black, but I did not get that kind of model. And this is very nice. It has a black color. The next item is a t-shirt from Singapore. The price is almost the same, 1,699, but I bought it in the, I think, 41 Singapore dollars. So this is size small. It is a very nice souvenir, and I will make it a point that whenever I visit a city, I should be able to look for a Levi's shirt with the name of the city in front of the t-shirt, printed in front of the t-shirt. Very nice. The color is magenta or dark red. This is the color of the year for 2023. And I got this t-shirt for my New Year's Day celebration, and the price is 1,699, and this is small. Basically, this is a t-shirt for the year 2023. In addition of the Levi's t-shirts that I have presented, I have two additional shirts. This is a a very nice blue, red, and white colored t-shirt stripes. And I got this for 1,499, but I was able to get a 20% discount. It is a very nice color combination and the size is small. Nice. The last one is a Levi's with the Batman logo. The color of the t-shirt is black and the color of the logo is red and white. This is 1,099 pesos. However, with 20% discount off, I was able to reduce the price of this particular shirt. By the way, this is size small. And this is a special edition of 501 jeans for 2023. 2023 is the year of the rabbit, and they have embroidered a rabbit at the right back pocket where you have the red tab of Levi's is located. So this is a very nice touch, very unique, very special, and the buttons are gold, the rivets are gold, the color of the leather patch is magenta, which is the color of the year of 2023. So this is a very nice, and I think this will become a collector's item. This is the 501 cut. It has, however, it has a zipper instead of those buttons. Oh, I'm sorry. Correction. This is a 502 cut, which is the slim taper of the Levi's cut. So you have the from the knee it tapers down, and the top block is almost the same with 501. However, the buttons, instead of buttons, you have the zipper. So I stand corrected. This is the 502 of Levi's, which is the year of the rabbit limited edition with gold rivets and top button. The price is 3,299, but I was able to get a 20% discount from this item, and it belongs to the premium, Levi's premium category. So this is nice. It fits well, and you have the usual markings and those 4 glossy tabs that goes with it to signify that this Levi's is legit, and all my Levi's are being bought in a Levi's boutique store. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you have any comments, please write your comments down below, and don't forget to click that notification bell for future videos in this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.